Today we're going to talk about some of the basics when it comes to connecting an interface cable to a vehicle to read fault codes. And we're not going to get into software specific. Today we're just going to talk about some general things you need to know. The interface cable itself is powered by the truck, and there is a power LED here, and that is what's going to indicate that we have a proper power and ground. So the interface cable actually receives its power and ground from the 9-pin connector, or if you were connecting to an old vehicle, a 6-pin. So when I first plug the 9-pin in, I'm going to see a self-test of the interface cable itself. So you'll notice all the LEDs flashed, and now we have a continuous power LED. That's the very first step. It's critical that this interface module becomes powered up. After I've connected to the truck and ensured that my interface cable is powered up, the next step is to plug the USB into the laptop. Windows has specific drivers for each interface cable. So what I do is I turn the volume up to maximum because Windows is going to play a tone telling me that the connection was successful. So I want you to listen for that. That is the tone Windows plays when a connection has been made and it's successful. And when I unplug it, so those two tones are very important because it'll tell you that it successfully connected to the laptop, but it will also tell you if you have an intermittent problem with your USB port. These tones are really handy because they can help us diagnose a problem with the USB cable that runs from the laptop to the interface cable. They also tell us if we have an intermittent connection with the USB port.